Hey Deep Thinkers, welcome back. Have you ever noticed how people can be drawn together over and over? On these drives, where I spend the whole day driving, I've noticed that at least 3 times a day there'll be an occupant of some vehicle who's maintaining a speed that's basically circling around me over and over again. And what I mean by that is if my cruise control is set to 69, 70, whatever it's set at specifically, so that I go no faster and no slower than that, uphill, downhill, side hill, whatever hill I'm on. And if someone basically keeps accelerating behind me to the point where they pass me and then get in front of me, and then basically they decelerate to the point where I have to move over and circle around them again, and if that happens over and over again, that's an example of what I'm talking about. Have you ever noticed that some people cannot be avoided?